Next up in the workbench, Levi jeans with a really nasty rear pocket hole, all come away, looks really nasty. It's going to get much worse. It's going down the edges here, you see. Obviously it's going around the top area as well. The rear pocket's just starting to go, so I'm going to put a little bit of a patch behind there, repair that for the customer, stop that from going, because eventually it'll start here and then eventually it'll go down there, just like this one's done. Looks really nasty. Anyway, it's going to work a bit of magic on here, repair this for him on the 511 jeans. Obviously men's or women's, we can do the same. It's a common area that goes on these jeans that have got a little bit of stretch in them. I think they've got 1 or 2% elastine in them, so they do go a bit more premature than, say, regular jeans that are without the elastine in, if that makes sense. Anyway, stay tuned and I'll post up the after video shortly. Here we go, all finished off, all nicely repaired. As you can see, it's all nice and discreet now. All repaired down the edges and everything. Reinforced the top area of that opposite side from him as well. And then obviously all that's all nicely done. Nice and strong now. That's not going to rip for a long time now. He's already had the crotch done at some point, so that's all nice and neat. So happy days, nice repair process done. All nice and discreet. So if you've got anything that needs doing like this, rips, repairs, maintenance, whatever, alterations, drop me a DM, drop me an email, michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk. There's loads and loads of before and after pictures on the website, videos of case studies similar to this one, crotches, knees, everything. Loads of content on there to have a nosy at. So yeah, have a noser. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks.